The reason why people never get enough and always want more of anything is because even you gain and possess the whole world, it is still less than your own self, which is internal and infinite. Infinity can and will never satisfy you for long, because it's against your true nature. You are unlimited consciousness. So don't limit yourself by giving your heart to the shadows, all things that come and go, while you are really ever present. Only self-realization is the source of lasting happiness.